The software interface right out of the box comes well packed and everything you need to start, whether it's a replacement or a brand new hardware wallet. It includes 3 recovery C cards, startup guide, USB-C to USB-A cable, ledger stickers, the Ledger Nano S Plus hardware wallet, and the keychain. I needed a secure, trustworthy hardware wallet that I could transfer my crypto stake assets, NFTs, and tokens from my crypto exchange, not only for storage, but also to send, receive, and trade. It would be a good idea to check the Ledger Nano S Plus list of coins that they have listed on their site to see what's available with this hardware wallet. It includes 2 buttons, LED display with a stainless steel foldable cover. Let's have a closer look at the Ledger Live software interface, compatible with Mac OS, Windows, and Android. Here we're looking at just a basic setup, but we do have the option to be able to retrieve an existing wallet that was either damaged, lost, or stolen.